Still relying on legacy BI platforms with growing security vulnerabilities? DataTerrain gets you out fast. Move from your current BI to your chosen new BI with zero disruption and zero data loss. Fully automated BI migration. Whether you're migrating from Crystal Reports, Cognos, Alteryx, Tableau, or Informatica, DataTerrain's proprietary automation tool handles it all. Any BI source to your chosen BI platform, fully automated, so your team hits the ground running, not starting from scratch. With 17+ years of expertise and over 400 successful migrations, DataTerrain delivers fully automated migrations within guaranteed budgets and timelines, ensuring pixel-perfect accuracy every time. Trusted by leading U.S. enterprises, we simplify complex migrations with speed, precision, and reliability. Don't let outdated BI tools hold your business back. Take the first step. Book your free migration POC at dataterrain.com. Let DataTerrain move your reports, dashboards, and data pipelines forward.